You clicked on the craft box, and this week we are making reindeer headbands. How cute is he? So this is something that you can wear for Christmas or anywhere around the house. You get inner ears and antlers, you get eyes and cheeks and noses or muzzles. And then once you're done, you can wear him. How cute is he? I'm gonna show you how to make your reindeer band. Okay, the first thing that we are gonna do for our reindeer headband is take the head of our reindeer and put the inner ear on our reindeer. That way, you glue it down and it'll be just like that. It'll look something like this. So you have your ears. So now that we have our ears done, the inner ears, you're gonna take your eyes and glue them in the center here, and your muzzle will be in between below the eyes. Okay, so the eyes will be up here and you're positioning the muzzle. So we have our reindeer's eyes, and then I'm just gonna glue his muzzle or the nose in the center. So it'll be in between the eyes. Have your muzzle, and so I'm gonna put my sparkly red nose in the middle of it. Ta-da! Here is our reindeer so far with his little sparkly nose. And then what we're gonna do is on each side of the nose is glue a pink oval, which will be our cheeks right here, which he is going to just look so cute. I think you'll have the cutest reindeer that you ever did see. So here's our reindeer's ears, but he doesn't really look like a reindeer yet, right? So what we're gonna do is glue on our antlers. So you'll take both of your antlers and put a little bit of glue on the bottom of it so you can glue it on the back side of your reindeer's head. Here is our reindeer. How cute is he? I think he's pretty cute too. Now the last part to our headband is actually securing the bands themselves. So that way you can wear it around your head. So you'll have to take your band and put it behind your reindeer. That way you can either glue it, tape it, or staple it. So that part's up to you. However, I'm just gonna take mine and tape it to the back. That way I know that it is quite secure. Or you can always use a stapler, but ask for help from mom or dad, okay? You're gonna take the band on one side and then put it on the other side. That way you can put it around your head. Now that you have the band, you're just gonna take it, and what I'm gonna do for this part, you can tape it, but I'm gonna staple it. That way I know it's going to stay. Take my stapler and just secure it with the lines, and you will have to ask for help from mom or dad, auntie or grandma, even uncle, and then ta-da! Oh, how cute! He's a little bit small for my head, but it'll be the perfect size for you guys. So don't forget to click around and see what else you can find, and I hope you enjoyed our reindeer headband.